So I make $500 every single day with affiliate marketing, and the best part about this is that literally anyone can start it, and you also don't need any money to start. So if you want to learn exactly how I'm able to do this, stick around because I'm going to be giving you my exact step-by-step tutorial. But before we start, real talk, I already know if you're watching this video, you obviously want to make some extra money, so I promise you, if you actually watch this video till the end and you actually go out there and start affiliate marketing for yourself, you can definitely make a lot of money. I remember when I first started affiliate marketing, I was only making like $5 every single day, but gradually I started to get better and better, and here I am now, and I'm making $500 every single day.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
So let's start off with what even is affiliate marketing, and it's basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a specific link that you're given. And if someone sees your link and they click on it and they end up signing up through you, you're gonna make a commission. And if you watched my last video, you know that I made $4,000 in 1 month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. But I also use my TikTok account, YouTube channel, and Instagram account, which makes me about $10,000 every single month. And so in this video, I'm basically going to show you how you can promote your affiliate link using Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram for free. So first thing you have to do before anything is actually pick a topic or a niche that you want to promote. So I would personally pick the finance niche, and that's just because there's so many companies that you can promote and there is just so much money to be made. So if you want, you can also pick the finance niche, but if you don't like that, there's so many other options. There's travel, self-development, pets, cooking, and fitness. So once you pick your niche, the next step now is to create an Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok account. And I would just make sure to pick a trendy username, and for your profile picture you can create a unique logo. I'm going to show you guys mine, and I actually created this with Canva, so if you want to make this for yourself, you can click the link in the description and you're going to get a 30-day free trial with Canva. Now the next important thing we have to do is create something called a link tree. A link tree is just basically a page where you can put all of your links. For example, if you go to my Pinterest and click the link in my bio, you're going to see that I have a link tree, which means that there's going to be a bunch of different affiliate links. So in order to do this, go to linktree.com and create an account. So once you create your account, you should be brought to this page, and sure, it's going to look empty now because we don't have any links, but once you do get links that you can promote, you're going to put all of them here. But just for now, what I want you to do is copy your Linktree link and then paste it in your Pinterest and Instagram bio. Unfortunately, you can't put it in your TikTok bio for now just because you have to have 1,000 followers. So obviously we don't want to keep your Linktree empty, so what we're going to do now is actually go out there and find companies that you can promote that are going to give you your own link that you can make commission from. And just to start off and make it really easy for you, I am going to recommend 2 companies that you can start working with right now. So the first one is Honey, and this is a tool people use, and it automatically applies coupon codes to stuff you buy online. So basically this is going to help people save money, and you get 500 gold points for anyone that signs up through your link and uses Honey, and for every 1,000 gold points that you collect, that's going to be $10 that you get to receive. So if you want to sign up and start promoting Honey now, you can click the Honey link in the description of this video. So now just create your account, and once you do that, click the 3 lines on the right, then click on where it says earn gift cards, and then you're going to be given a specific link that you can start promoting. So now what I want you to do is copy that link and then go to your link tree and just paste it there. Now I just have one last company that I recommend you promote, which is Coinbase. So for Coinbase, if someone signs up with your link and they buy $100 worth of any crypto, you're going to get a $10 commission, and they are also going to get a $10 commission. So if you want to sign up for this, click the Coinbase link in the description and then create your account. So once you create your account, click on setting and then click on share love of crypto. And then basically you just copy that link, add it to your link tree, and now you're all done. But of course, there's so many other companies that you can promote. You don't have to do these ones if you don't want. So I'm going to show you the other ones and how to find them. So in order to find other companies that you can promote, you're going to be using impact.com. Impact.com literally has thousands of different companies that you can start promoting. So first things first, click sign in, then click sign up as partner, fill out all your information here. Then once you log in, click on create your public profile, and where it says company logo and company cover image, just upload the profile picture from your social medias. Then you can skip media property. As for description, just put your niche, and for me it's finance. And for keyword, I'll put finance again. Skip these and just put 2021 here. For this one, put content, and then for this one, put social media influencer. As for your country, I'd put US, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia, that, and then now just save it. And now the next thing you have to do is click on submit business information. For the website, add your link tree and then just fill out the rest of your personal information. And now just make sure you validate your email address and sign back into your account, and it's going to take you to this area here, which is just a brand section. But since you did just create your account, you can't get any links from here just yet. You'll have to wait about 3 days until your account is approved. So for now, I would just search up what niche you're in and look through those brands. And here for Adam Finance, it says that you get $5 for every person that signs up through your link. Honestly, I think that's pretty good. So what I'll do is I'll just click that little heart button, and now it's going to add it to the favorites section. So then once my account is approved, I can come back here to the favorites section and then apply to get my affiliate link. So continue this process until you find a couple of companies that you want to promote. And if you're not sure which companies you can promote, I have a couple in mind that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put them up here on the screen, and if you want, you can just take a screenshot and check them out later. And once you actually start making money from promoting these companies, in order for you to actually get the money deposited in your bank account, you'll have to click on this downward arrow, then click on bank account. Then it's going to ask you to fill out all your banking information, and that's how you're going to start getting paid. And also, if you do want to track how much money you're making every day, you can click on reports, then overview. Then here it's going to show you how much money each brand is making you every day. And that basically summarizes how you can use impact.com, but there also is a lot of other companies other than this one, like PartnerStack and Amazon Associates, which is really popular, and it basically lets you promote products from Amazon. So you can check those out if you want, but honestly, impact.com is enough. And so now once you have all of your links, now you can actually start making money when people click on your links and sign up. But obviously, in order to actually make money, you're going to somehow have to drive traffic to your link tree. And by far, the easiest way to drive traffic to your link tree is by using Pinterest. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Pinterest account. Once you do that, just make sure you click on the circle in the right corner, then account settings, then linked business account, then click create account, and you're just doing this so you can change your Pinterest from a personal to a business account. And if you want to grow fast, just like I did, there's 3 different types of content that you have to post on Pinterest. And we're going to start with the first one, which is called an idea pin. And so if you click on that, it's going to allow you to upload any kind of video. And so the purpose of uploading these idea pins is that it's actually going to grow your account really fast. And now you're probably wondering, what videos am I actually going to post? So you're going to actually post random viral TikToks on your Pinterest, and obviously these don't have to be your own. And of course, you're going to credit the owner of the TikTok. So in order to find these viral videos, what you want to do is go on TikTok and then just search up your niche. So for me, that's finance. And once you do that, you're going to see that there is a ton of viral videos that you can choose from. So if you find some that you like, what I want you to do is just copy the link. Then you're going to go to the website snaptik.app. Now just paste the TikTok link there and then download it. The reason you're going to do this is because you want to download the TikTok video without having that watermark. And so now with that video that you have, you can just go ahead and post it in the idea pin section on Pinterest. And I just want to walk you through how you're actually going to properly post it. So click on create, then click on idea pin, then find the video, then just click next. Then where it says title, just try to summarize the video in 5 words. Then you have to pick a board, and this is just basically a way to categorize your videos. So I'm just going to say finance for this category. Then for tags, just put stuff relevant to your topic. For example, I could put like finance and how to make money. Now you can just post it, and then in the comment section of the video, just make sure you add the credit for the TikTok owner. So now that summarizes the idea pin, and now we're moving on to the next type of content that you have to post on Pinterest, which is just the pin. Now in the pin section, you can actually post photos and videos. And now you're probably wondering, what is the difference between idea pins and pins? So the main difference is with pins, you can actually add your affiliate link, but with idea pins, you can't add any link. And with idea pins, you usually do get more views and followers, but posting both of these will give you the perfect balance. And so what you should do is post one TikTok video every day in the pin section. Now the next thing you can also do with the pin section is actually post photos. So let me show you a picture on Pinterest that is a great example of this, which says free $25 stock, claim now. So I'm actually going to show you how you can create a picture just like this one using Canva. So when you first sign into Canva, it should look like this. So click on create design, then click on poster. So I just created this one, and so now I want to walk you through the process so you can create it yourself. So first thing you have to do is choose a background color, and I like using black because it makes everything else pop. So just click here and then click on the color and then put black. Now the next thing I want to do to just make the background a little bit nicer is add some money. So I'm going to click here on elements, then just search up money. There's a bunch of photos you can pick from, but I'm going to go with this one. And now what you need to do is click on it, then click up here. And for transparency, it's going to make it a little bit lighter. So I'm going to put it on 10. Now the next thing you can do is actually start adding the text. So if you want to add the text, just click on here, then click this one. And now you can go ahead and write your text. So obviously I don't like this font, so I'm going to go ahead and change it. I like to use a different font, which I will show you right now. So I use the Grey Cliff Demi Bold, and I'm also going to make it bold again. So once you do that, you want the text to even pop more. So what I like to do usually is add like a square in the background. So click on elements, and now I'm just going to search up square, and I'm going to pick this one right here. And I'm just going to change the color to black. And now make sure you center it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So right here it says it's in the middle. And now you just have to position your text to make it look good. And then now for the claim text, I'm going to change it to green just so it can pop a little bit. But now that you're done, just make sure you download it. So you click up here, then change the size, and I would say the bigger the better. So I'm going to put it at 2.5. Now you can just click download. Okay, so now you can upload the image in the pin section on Pinterest, and make sure you just put a short title, then add a short description that just explains the image in like 2 to 3 sentences. Then you can add your affiliate link, and that's basically it. Now you just post it. And I am going to recommend that you make 4 of these photos every week and post them. And what I would recommend you do as well is promote a different affiliate link for each photo. So for example, today you can post a photo that promotes honey, and then tomorrow you can post a photo that promotes Coinbase or whatever else you want. And I remember I told you guys as well in the beginning that you should also create an Instagram and TikTok account. Now the reason I said that is because anything that you post on Pinterest, you can also repost it on there. So as long as you follow all the steps I mentioned, you're consistent, and your social media continues to grow, you will get people clicking on your links and signing up, which means that you're going to make commissions. And at first, it might be really slow and you might not make a lot of money, but I promise you, if you're consistent and you stay patient, it will pay off.